Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So on YouTube, you know how they have those YouTube content videos, and oftentimes it's not for us naturals. So I was thinking, I was like, maybe I could come up with a few ideas for just us naturals, some YouTube content for just us naturals. So I got 50 ideas for you guys, so stay tuned. So I have 50 natural hair content ideas written down in my little notepad, and I will have them written down in the description box down below. So are you ready? So number one, quick style ideas for curly girls. Number two, deep conditioning routine. Number three, natural hair nighttime routine. Number four, wash day routine. Number five, how to wash and go. Number six, natural hair growth tips. Number seven, natural hair hacks. Number eight, how to co-wash. Number nine, summer wash and go. Number 10, winter wash and go. Number 11, high puff tutorial. Number 12, a week in my hair. 13, how to stretch natural hair. 14, sleek low puff. 15, natural hair combos. Let me turn my page, guys. 16, how to braid out. 17, how to twist out. 18, protective hair videos, hairstyle videos. 19, back to school ideas. 20, prom hairstyle ideas. 21, detangle and chit chat. 22, get ready with me, natural hair. 23, deep condish with me. 24, hair product stash. 25, nighttime routine. Number 6, DIYs. 27, product comparison. 28, product reviews. 29, wash day routine. 30, affordable curly hair routine. 31, curly to straight routine. 32, watch my hair revert. 33, updated curly hair routine. 34, how to straighten natural hair. Turning the page, I'm turning the page. I'm looking out for us naturals. 35, favorite natural hair products. 36, first impression reviews. 37, length check. 38, natural hair talk. 39, porosity. 40, does it work? 41, I tried. 42, shop with me. 43, pre-poo routine. 44, ASMR natural hair routine. 45, natural hair journey. 46, how to trim natural hair at home. 47, Holy Grail natural hair products. 48, exposing natural hair YouTubers. 49, how to define your curls. 50, natural hair rules I don't follow. And I just got carried away. That's just me. So I got a couple more. So I got exposing myself, reaction videos, let your subscribers pick, and unboxing. So this is 50 ideas, girls. So I'm looking out for us naturals. I didn't keep it for myself. I'm a new YouTuber, but I said, you know what? We can help each other, and we don't want to be crabs in a basket pulling each other down. We want to uplift each other. So that's that was my goal. So if you found this to be helpful, comment below, like my video, and subscribe. Bye. Mwah.